This is video we getting from the clients, and we are making this wig according to this video. And in the future you can also send us this kind of video or photo, and our stylist will do customize a wig according to this. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here, and today I'm gonna show you a wig which we made according to customers requirement, and I'm gonna show you this wig. Here it is. This is the 20-inch curly wig, and we actually got this frontal wig, and actually we got a photo from customer, and customer want a unit like this, and according to the photo and video we make this wig. This is this frontal wig, 20 inches, and this wave, this curly is very beautiful. Look back side. This is 130 density and pretty full. This baby hair, pre-plucked and natural hairline. And you can see that we have a lot of hairstylists, and we can do any type of curl pattern or any type of colors according to your requirement. And same as this clients, and you can also send us what a photo or a video, what kind of a wig, share with us what kind of wig, what kind of hair you want, and you share with me, and I will send it to our hair stylist, and they will customize according to your photo. And all the process will take around 2 or 3 days. It's pretty fast, and we will ship it to you. And okay, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.